I'm scared.
It's okay. It's okay.
You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
It's my birthday!
Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. You let her go. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and you go so fast. You see her when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch, it surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go. You let her go.
Your face-saving promises whispered like prayers. I don't need them. Oh, I need the darkness, the sweetness, the sadness, the weakness. Oh, I need this. Need a lullaby, kiss goodnight, angel sweet, love of my life. Well, is it dark enough? Can you see me? Do you want me? Can you reach me? Oh, I'm leaving. Better shut your mouth and hold your breath. You kiss me now, you catch your death. Oh, I mean this. The sweet turning sour and untouchable.